Alright, I'm in my car. I'm just gonna put in my new sub controls that I've got up here. I've got some 5 meter long braided cable and just some, I think 2 meter long other RCA cables. But I got my boost gauge down, not boost gauge, fucking sub controls down there. So I'm gonna wire those up to the back of the radio and then straight to the back of the sub. So I'm gonna take that out and then I'll show you what we got. Alright, I've got my radio out and I'm left with all these cables, and pretty much I'm going to take these ones out and replace them with the new ones up there. These obviously run underneath there through all the plastic trims and back into the boot, and I need to run them this side instead now. Obviously I got all my new stuff and a cable back. Alright, I just got my 2 meter RCA cables out. I can't bother to take out the old one, so I've just tucked those behind, out the way, in the fucking, whatever you want to call that bit.
Down there?
Yeah. Down there, you can't see it. Anyway, I'm going to route these new cables. And I think if I plug it in first, and then route it back, it might be a bit easier. Oh. Let's have a look, what's my left and right? These don't have colour. Just said audio. Ah, haha, the writing's red, sorted.
So the cable's being fed through down there. Well, most of it. I'm just going to pull it up through here once that's done, and that part's done. Then we go on the out from the back of the boost controller all the way down the side into the boot. That's all that shit. Give me an update, fool!
Ran the cable through underneath this trim. We didn't have to take it apart, thank God. So ran those through. Now I've just plugged in my
Go to the back of that.
this. And then my other RCA cables now. Braided. Just running them all through these plastic bits over here. So, and then straight into the boot, so it shouldn't be too bad really. Just rip that up. Oh.
There's a double bolster on it.
Oh. Huh?
This is a double side, isn't it? Not a single side over there.
Trying to route the cable back through there.
It would make it easier if you lean the stuff out the way first.
But oh well.
Yeah, okay.
Fuck it, just do what you do, innit?
There's odd central over there.
Exactly. Probably all gonna get moved anyway, so fuck it. Then you got all this excess cable, which just run that side. So you might as well just do it while we're here. Pink camp, yeah, you know. Till I roll. Oh, right. Take these two out. I didn't see which ones they come out of. Let's just say this one. White. Red. Oh. There you go. Tuck that back like that. Close that. Look, install done.